Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Rolly Marshall. I just received this home security kit from Ring Doorbell 3 and because it just happened that there's so many incidents that happened in previous days regarding the throwing of the rubbish outside my house. So I'm going to install this security kit from Ring, and I'm going to show you how to install it step by step. The reason why I bought this one because of that's the incidents that happened in the previous days regarding them. Some of my neighbors are throwing the rubbish outside, so I'm going to install this one and to show you step by step on how to install it. Okay, follow me. There we go guys. I'm going to open this box now. This Video Doorbell 3 on Skype, okay? Let's go first. There's a box there, and then on this side, oh, here we go. This one is the main ring. So it looks like this. There's a camera there, and the button there, and the one inside for the charging. Say hello to Ring. Inside is a manual link, the installation, how to use it, and there some of the important things that you need to read before installing it. Here is the latch or the wedge. I think you're going to put this one and install it in there, and some screws and bits and bobs, and another thing here, the position, angle, and how to angle it. And this one here is the install tools, which is very usable. Now this is the time meter charger, okay. And here I think it is a battery. It's a battery. It's all here. All right. To download the Ring app from the App Store or Google Play Store. So I'm going to find it in the the Apple Store, which is this Ring here, Always Home. Download it and scan it. Then once you open it, you're going to create an account. All right. So after logging in, they will send you a password to your email with the location. So I'm going to enter the location using your Bluetooth, which is now I'm going to install the doorbells. Yeah, so I'm going to scan the code. Yeah, so it set up the location. After confirming the address, it will take you to the give me your doorbell name, which is the front door. So next is to insert the included battery if you haven't already. So I'm going to insert the battery one here. It's the battery here. Charging the battery. Make it green. Green is a full power battery. Face covers, either that one, the beige, or the black one. So I'm going to choose the white one, the beige.
Your Ring device is in setup mode.
So it is in setup mode, that's what he said. Okay, the light is spinning now. The light is spinning, that's what is the light is spinning. So the light is spinning here. So click the enter button there. We'll see. You can join the Wi-Fi. So it will be connected to the Wi-Fi. Alright, so wait, it's connecting to your Ring Doorbell Wi-Fi. So this is fill in the blanks with the snapshot capture. It says here when it's flashing, enabling feature decreases battery life. So I press OK there. So what's next? Your door is now ready for setup. I think this is ready for setup because it's flashing light. So this Ring Doorbell is updating. This can take up to 15 minutes. There's a person at your position it here down. This is very accessible, so it will go here down to the house. That's the right eye. I mean, head level. So that will be in that position. I'm going to screw it in. I'm going to drill a hole here. This is a mount. The TV here that you can catch. Then so I'm going to put a screw down here. This is the base. The screw. Oh, moto.
Tingog na yung pislet.
Now it's screwed to the wall. And next, put that one there. Okay, the coin is connected now as well, so it's ready for use. So we're going to test now. You're ringing.
Hello?
Hello, is Bacon there?
Yeah, speaker is sleeping.
Okay. Okay, we'll check you there.
Just keep the message.
Okay.
Hello? Hello? Yes? What do you want? So we're checking it out. So I'm here now, so you can see here the rubbish. You can see. So we're going to catch them. So this is Ring and telling you what to buy.
Got you, mate. Video recorded by Ring Doorbell on the 9th of March, 7:22 p.m. As you notice that there's so many rubbish being dumped outside our house, and we're going to catch them courtesy of Ring Doorbell. Watch out, our neighbor. She threw her rubbish outside her house. That's the same old lady neighbor from ours, about 6 doors to the left side of her house. She threw again for the second time, pick up the rubbish that went too far, and then she went back to her house to pick up something and wait until she will come back. See, she come back again and threw another piece of rubbish in front of her house. I don't know why they cannot throw it in outside her house, but she lives 6 doors away from our house. That's very disgusting. What a shame, lady. Old lady. Another neighbor, an old lady. She lives about 6 doors from the right side. Taking the day after, look at the rubbish.